Welcome to the AI Tools Directory Bot Panels, where we showcase the latest AI-powered tools. Today we explore Kajabi AI. Kajabi Online Course Builder AI is a platform that utilizes artificial intelligence to assist in creating and managing online courses. With its advanced technology, Kajabi allows users to easily build and customize their course content, design a user-friendly interface, and automate various administrative tasks. The AI capabilities of Kajabi enable it to analyze user data, provide personalized recommendations, and optimize the course content for better engagement and learning outcomes. Overall, Kajabi Online Course Builder AI offers a comprehensive solution for individuals and businesses looking to create and deliver high-quality online courses. If you are looking for an AI tool, you must visit and subscribe botpanels.com for free trials and great offerings. All details are given here in the description.